it's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, you are welcome here as well. And if you guys want to see more of my videos, you could go ahead and subscribe. Okay, for today's video, Etude House reached out to me. So Etude House sent me their 4th chocolate collection. They had Kit Kat, Hershey's, Kisses, Hershey's, and now, let me show you guys the 4th one. It actually just launched. And I have the box with me right here, and I didn't open it yet because I wanted to open it with you guys. I'm like super excited, like I don't know what to expect. Yes! There's 2 tints and 3 different palettes, 2 blush. My first impression on the packaging, I just love the colors. It's so bold, attention-seeking, and I've never seen a package this color, especially this blue. When I saw the Hershey's packaging, it was like the actual like chocolate package and stuff. So I kind of expected like that kind of like a wrapper style packaging, but it's this kind. But I'm not mad at it at all. Let's open the palettes first. 바닐라 먼저. 짠! Oh my gosh! You see the texture? And there's like all the detail in the middle like that. It's like so small and like mini. This would totally fit in my small bags. Ready? 짠! Wow, beautiful. 근데 거울 없어. But it's okay. I feel like this is good for like warm tone and cool tone, which is perfect. Wait, ow, my rib. 갑자기? Wait, the texture is like chocolate. Does it smell? It don't smell like chocolate, but anyway. Oh, my favorite biscuit. Crunch wafers, vanilla cream. These colors are pretty like light. It's pretty similar to what I'm wearing today. Wow. These 4 are like perfect for daily colors, like you already see. Next unboxing is Napolitaner. Suck. Yes, same thing, but brown inside, and then down. This is definitely more for warm tone. 2 mattes, 2 glitters. 색깔 너무 이쁘잖아. Hazelnut chocolate, sugar recharge, fantastic chemistry, biscuit crumbs. This color is so pretty. What the heck? And I thought fantastic chemistry would have more glitter, but not really. It's very like subtle glitter. Last eyeshadow palette, raspberry yogurt. Pink, pink, baby pink. Da 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 da. 잠깐만. So there's 2 glitter and 2 mattes. Raspberry chocolate, sweet home cafe, sugar topping, berry yogurt. Wait, this is so much prettier than I thought. Oh. When I saw the pictures of these 3 palettes, I thought like 3 of them were so like similar. But now that I like see it in real life, they are like so different. And then I noticed Etude House palettes, like the mattes are not too pigmented, but it's like a blurry, natural kind of blending powders. And the glitters apply way better with fingers, I realized, not the brush, so I always use my fingers. Let's move on to blush. I'll go classic vanilla first. Done! I love this bold color again. And then it's clear. Guess what? It has texture. Do you see that? Oh my god, it feels so good. The texture feels so good. Yeah, it's like very subtle orange, vanilla, yellow almost. I could definitely see it on my wrist, but hopefully I could see it on my face. Classic Napolitaner. I hope I'm saying that right. Guys, this is so... Swatch. Oh my gosh! And here's the difference of the 2 palettes. Next is tint. I love this color. 그렇지. And I like that right there. It's very cute. I love their font. Very good size. It's gloss on the top and it's matte on the bottom. Oh, 잠깐만. And it's like blurry, you know, perfect for like gradation. And Can I blend it? I would say this is kind of like coral. The texture is so nice. Wait, did I really smell that? Oh, finally the chocolate smell. Okay, right away I will go to Classic Napoli Tanner. It's chocolate. Again, glossy and matte. Oh my, the texture is so good. It's like so soft. Anyway, here's all the collection. Now, let's get to makeup. Well, this video has come to an end. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and also leave me a comment. And all the products that I used today is all linked down below. So check it out. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!